What's up guys, Sean here with Spencer's Lawn Care. Today I'm going to have 5 quick tips to help you to continue to grow your lawn care business in these cold and these winter months. My first tip for you guys is get out there and get on the commercial properties. Right now, coming at the end of 2017, going into 2018, commercial properties are looking for the future and who they're going to have maintain their landscaping and lawn care. My second tip for you guys is to make sure all of your social media information and websites are up to date. Go on, take a look. Are your photos up to date? Do you have photos that are better looking, show more off of the work you've done? If so, update those photos. Make sure you link with those photos so that you're keeping your SEO up. And also make sure you're checking to make sure all of your current links on all of your social media pages are working also. My third tip for you guys is to take a look at your marketing. Are you in the 21st century? The old newspaper ads just don't work anymore, guys. Make sure you're up to date. I like to use Facebook direct ads, paid ads. They cost a little bit of money, but they're affordable, and you can market directly to your area and which locations you're in. And I've had very good success using these in my area. Also, Google My Business. Make sure you're updating your Google My Business page, uploading current photos, and staying on top of these. These all help with your search engine optimization or your SEO. My fourth tip for you is to consolidate your routes. Look at all of your routes. Do you have lawns that are way off in the distance and you have no other accounts around them and they're just not profitable? You're actually losing money. Maybe you took them on with the idea of, hey, I'll get maybe a neighbor or a couple neighbors or a few other houses in that area, and it's just a long drive to get there. It's not profitable. You're actually losing money by the time you get there and come back. All right, guys, my fifth and final tip for you is to always look for other business opportunities. And I'll give you a few options here. House cleanouts. Don't be afraid to subcontract out work, landscaping, snow removal. And also, don't be afraid to offer low-impact snow removal. If you don't have a big truck and a plow, get yourself a snow blower or a snow shovel, depending on where you're at in your business, and offer low-impact snow removal. There are thousands of people out there that are looking for low-impact snow removal because they don't want a big plow on their cement driveway. They don't want salt on their cement driveway. Salt eats concrete, as you guys know. You can use snow melt. You can use calcium chloride. There are many options out there, guys, to continue bringing in income through the winter months to help continue your business growing. So those are my 5 tips to help you continue growing your business in the winter months. And as always, keep mowing, keep growing, keep making money, boys. I'll talk to you later.